Ooh. Ooh. Hey YouTube, it's Noonie Robinson, you guys. I am back and I am feeling much better. I am officially 2 weeks post-op. I am so excited. My healing is like coming along amazingly. I am feeling so much more energized. I'm no longer on pain pills. And I'm here to tell you guys a little bit of what's been working for me so far. As you all know, this is my second BBL. I had a BBL about 4 or 5 years ago, roughly. It was a horrible experience. I'm going to speak on that experience in detail sometime this week. I'm gonna make sure that I'll record that because a lot of people want to know about my first BBL. As you all know, my first BBL, I was awake. I was awake the entire time. Please, you guys, do not do that. Do not do it. Do not do it. It sounds cheaper. You feel like, I don't know, you feel like it's going to be a better situation because you don't have to worry about being put to sleep and all of that. But it's the ways. Do not do it. Do not do it, you guys. But again, you guys, this is my second BBL. My doctor was Dr. Abeer at Seduction Cosmetics, and Cosmetics facility made me feel very comfortable. As you guys know, I was supposed to go to Dobag. Dobag had a lot of issues. I don't know if it's because it's tax time. Dobag is just not, I don't know, she's not living up to everybody's expectations right now. So I got canceled by one of the coordinators at Dobag office, and it was just a long, like, it was just very unprofessional. A lot of unprofessionalism going on at that facility. So you guys, I had to drive to Miami to get my refund, and that same exact day, even though I didn't receive my refund, I just was told that I was going to receive my refund within a few days. I just went straight to Seduction, got a consultation, paid in full, and I literally had a date at Seduction 2 weeks later. That quick. Had already had all my labs and stuff done because I had already did it previously for Dobag. So we were able to basically transfer a lot of that information, or send a lot of that information that was already done, like my labs, to Dobag's office. But get to it. It's 2 weeks, you guys. I am in my large faja. When I woke up from surgery, they put me in a 2X faja because of the swelling. As you guys know, I'm still wearing compression and stuff, so I look a little bulgy, but you guys, my stomach is super duper flat. Like, I'm amazed. Dr. Abeer did an amazing job on my liposuction. Like, she did very aggressive liposuction. I can't wait to see how I heal. You guys also know that I got bigger boob implants. So I wanted to show you guys my new boobs as well. They are a little pushed up because I have on my faja, but I really love them. They're healing very nicely. My other video, they were super high. Right now they are dropping. Let me see if I can just take this off so you guys can see it. And then I do have on a sports bra, so that pushes them up as well. But this is what they will look like. A lot of boob action. I'm loving it. Okay. Woo. Okay, the sides still hurt a little bit, but I'm only 2 weeks post-op, you guys. I'm just so excited. So excited. And let me tell you all what I have been doing that has been helping me, because the foams are so uncomfortable. The board is so uncomfortable at this stage because you're still super sore, super tender in certain areas. Like, my back is no longer sore, but my stomach area and my sides are super sore. So I just have on a regular faja. This is actually the faja that I brought from New Life because I had already paid for it when I paid for my surgery with Dobag. And I really love it. It has really good compression. And my super duper trick that's working with me flattening my stomach out a lot, you guys, are pads. I am using pads for compression as opposed to the foam boards and the foams. I will show you guys what I mean. Let me adjust the camera. Alright, so let's show you guys. So as you guys can see, I have pads where I'm supposed to have foams. I also had them in the sides, but I'm super tender and it's, I don't know, you guys, it was really killing me, so I took it out for a second. But this is me right now. Yes, I am very much hairy, but this is working for me. I have been massaging. I am still a little lumpy, you guys. She did super duper aggressive lipo and it's requiring me to massage a lot more. I'm still super swollen, but what I do is I like to take some pads. These are regular pads, and I just pull the backing off, but I don't take the little sticky part off. This part right here, I keep it on, and I kind of just put it wherever I need more compression. So lately I've been needing more compression, like right here. So this is where I put it at. And then I also sometimes will put some on the sides as well. And then you just put it back together. Weeks post-op, and I wear them on the back as well. This is what I am looking like so far. Still very much swollen. This, of course, when you wear foams, you look super super pregnant, but it's okay. I love the projection in my butt, and I think everything is coming along very nicely. Super duper nicely. But yes, you guys, the secret is to use pads instead of foams. If you're too sore to wear all the foams, the boards and all of that, try using some pads, some maxi pads, at least until the swelling and, well, the pain subsides enough to where you can wear foams and boards comfortably without having to take them out in the middle of the night and stuff. So that's what's working for me so far. Hopefully by my 3rd week I'll be able to ditch the pads and then be back in my foams and boards. But this is what's working for me. I am self-massaging every day. Also on my machine, my cavitation machine, while I'm at work, I do use that about twice a week as well. And then I use cold compression as well to help with my swelling. I am still taking my arnica pills, and I am still taking my arnica pills and this lymphatic drainage syrup stuff. I'll actually show you guys what I'm talking about. Let me grab it. And this is the lymphatic drainage stuff that I am speaking on, you guys. I bought this. It really helps with me draining. It helped me a lot to not retain fluid after surgery. So make sure you guys try that out. It works amazingly. But this will sum up my 2-week update. So make sure you guys subscribe, stay updated, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Noonie Robinson, the same as my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys click the notification so you guys can be notified when I post a new video. and join my journey with me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am about to finish my laundry and enjoy some Netflix movies. So bye, ladies and gentlemen. See you later. Mwah.